You finally choose the right thing in your life. You finally turned off the League of Legends and started to touching some grass. And today I'm going to give you a simple guide of what is gym. When you start hitting the gym, you're just starting to open more doors. It's going to sound pretty weird, but how can I open more doors? Trust me, you're going to find out. When you finally get this mentality in the gym, you're going to have this mentality forever. There's something you need to understand about diet. You need to find one of these websites that's called Calorie Calculator. And it's just going to ask you how much do you weigh, what's your height, how old are you a male, you're female, and it's going to tell you that your maintenance calorie for just keeping the same weight, for me it's, for example, 3000 calories. And for adding up 500 grams every week, it needs to be on 3400, and for losing 500 grams a week it needs to be on 2500. And you need to understand that it's not going to change in 1 week. It's going to take time, and that's why you need to find the right fucking diet. Because if you're going to find this extreme zero carbs diet with only protein, you're going to burn out instantly. It's not going to work out for you. So you need to find the right diet that you can stick to in a very long time. The supplement idea and the opinions is very, very different. And if you ask a bodybuilder what kind of supplements he likes, he will say something different. A natural guy that doesn't believe in supplement to be the right thing, he will say nothing is good for you. So that's why I'm just going to give you these 3 options that you need to understand. So the first one is the protein powder. The protein powder is a convenient, you guys that really want to hit the protein grams every day. I would recommend 1 to 2 scoops a day, not more than that. You need the natural proteins too. Just use them when you just want to drink some protein shake, or you just wanted to blend it in with your oatmeal that I usually do in the morning. You need to understand what kind of a fitness journey you will have, because I really like the bodybuilding, which means that I need to eat very much protein. But if you want to just be a cardio guy that just really like to run on treadmill, you don't need the protein powder. You can just eat the natural chicken breast. You're going to build the good shape body, but you're not going to build the bodybuilder like, Daddy C-Bomb. That's not the point for you. And after that, we got the supplement that is called creatine. And creatine is a very, very highly recommended supplement for you guys who want to get the bigger muscles, because it helps the muscles to absorb more water. And creatine is actually natural, which means that it's not steroids, and it's been documented over 25 years. So it's 100% safe, and there are not going to be any problems with creatine. You don't need it if you're going to be a normal runner that just like to do the cardio. But if you want to be the guy that just want to put some muscles on and get stronger in the gym, it will be a good idea to buy some creatine and try it out for 1 month, for 2 months, for 3 months. The last one that I really like, and I have tried it before, but I just want to do something very different. Like I said, it's different opinions, so it's all about what you like. Is pre-workout. Help you to get some more reps, and lift some more weights. But the problem is if you take too much of it, you won't sleep at night. I would just recommend to take the natural pre-workout that I called, and I usually take 1 teaspoon of honey every time I want to train, and that 1 teaspoon is going to really help you. And I just want to stay away from caffeine, because I already drink a lot of coffee, and if I start my taking pre-workout, I won't sleep until 3 a.m. and that's why I'm saying no thanks to pre-workout. But if it's something that you like, you can try it out. And you can also buy these small samples on the websites that sells these kind of supplements. So you can really try it out for 1 or 2 sessions and see how it is. One thing that you need to understand about gym is don't start by doing all these kind of weird shit in the gym. When you come in the gym, alright? The first thing you need to do is find a random machines that just attracts your eye and do the machine. And just keep doing that for 1 week, 2 weeks. And after that, find the right workout split where you split your body muscles up and choose to train the specific muscles every day. That's going to help you to boost the idea of building this beautiful body and just making an understanding for which day should this body parts be trained. Because in my opinion, I don't like this to say I'm just training the whole body, because I think it's just stupid to do it when you can take all the body muscle with you, especially when you are doing the bodybuilding. And you can't just in 1 hour do the leg presses and do the bench presses and do the lat pull down or deadlift, and it just no, just stop it. You need to find a plan, and you need to say, all right, today I'll do chest and tricep, the other day I'll do back and bicep, and the next day I'll do legs. So it could be, for example, like this, but try to find the internet and find inspiration. Don't copy the idea. You can start by doing the person's workout that you just trust on the internet, or your friend's workout. And if it's something that you want to improve, you can always change it. So don't just stick to a random workout that you don't like. You need to have fun in the gym, all right?